Is that thing on?
It is on.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to wear my snivel gear. It's cold. Snivel gear, but now I'm wearing my snivel.
Ready? Oh, jeez. Halfway through. This one's a butt kicker.
Hey, Scott. What you up to?
Will you be quiet so I can think? What an absolutely craptastic day. Or it's a good day to get chores done, I guess. So the week before Iceman, my mom came to visit, and the workouts last week were pretty much just trainer rides. Tempo to 10 seconds of VO2 max. And 3, 2, 1. Halfway through. This one's a butt kicker. Never gets easier. You just get faster, right? Spent a lot of time in the basement. A lot of time visiting with my mom. And the weather really wasn't that great to ride outside last week. It got cold. It was pretty rainy all week.
Iceman was a blast. There's a whole video about that.
Under left. Under left. Shit. You got it. You crushed it! Yeah, there we go.
Curtis Rolma out of Byron Center, Michigan. A lot of Byron Center, Michigan riders out here today.
Good job. Then when I got back from Iceman, I had 2 rest days, followed by what was supposed to be a run, but I ended up being at home instead of at work, and ended up going riding with some friends.
No footage, though.
Haven't missed a workout. Meals could have been a little bit better, but you know. Today's workout's a run, and then tomorrow we're back on the trainer. It rained like crazy here this morning, and I don't think the trails will be anywhere near rideable yet. And the hardest part for me with trainer days is getting dressed, getting downstairs, and getting on the bike. It's just the hardest part with having a gym at home, or working out at home for me, is just getting myself off the couch, on the bike, and getting the workout done. Come on, Scott. Just do it. Just get it done. Is it just me? Or does time slow down the harder the workout gets? And rest. Recover. That sucks.